How to see the following list of a person if it's private and hidden. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply see the following list of the person if it is hidden. So to do that, launch your TikTok account. You can simply install it from the Google Play Store. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of TikTok on your phone. After you do that, you can simply go on the top search bar and search for any person that account you want to see and the followers list you want to see. So suppose that this is the account that I want to see the follower list of. So let's go in the profile of this person. So if the account is public, then I can simply see the followers list. But if it is private, then the only thing and only way how I can see the followers list and the followings list is by following the very person. And if the very person accepts my following request, then I can simply see the following and all the followers on the profile. So guys, this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.